So before we can put any insulated permacrete or our perlite concrete onto our oven, we need to put this very flash looking glad wrap, cling wrap, whatever you want to call it, over the surface. It doesn't look pretty, but it works really well as it acts as a barrier for the forms. So once we put our mixture on and it's dried out, this just peels out from inside really easily. So before we actually get into the mixing, I'm going to explain what we're going to do, because we're going to have a dust mask on, because the perlite can cause irritation if you breathe it in, the dust from perlite. So the ratio we're going to use is 5 parts perlite to 1 part cement and then 2 parts water. But what we'll do is we'll do all the dry ingredients first, mix them up, and then add the water. So we're going to attempt something here. We're going to try to put some chicken wire on this first layer. The reason for this is, in the past when I've built vermiculite ovens, even cob ovens, they tend to crack just because they don't seem to have enough tensile strength. The cob ovens, not so bad because they have straw which kind of connects it all and gives it that strength. But the perlite and the vermiculite, I'm not so sure. So what we're going to do is experiment, cut down a little bit of chicken wire. I'm just going to set this in as best I can. This is an experiment. But hopefully this is going to give us more tensile strength. And then what we'll do is we'll put another layer on top of this because I want to make this oven thicker than my vermiculite ovens, just so it's a bit more efficient keeping the heat. All right, so having a few issues trying to get the chicken wire to stay down. So what I'm going to do is cover it with a damp kind of old rag, big old rag. So this is going to act hopefully just to hold the chicken wire down, but also keep the oven from curing too fast. So we'll leave this the next couple of days, maybe just give it a spray now and again. That should just help it stay together. So that's hopefully going to stop it from drying out too quickly and cracking, although time will tell. Ooh. Seems to be working, seems to be holding down the chicken wire quite well. So we'll come back to this in about 3 or 4 days.